Open the Websign Process Monitoring tab in Compleo Console. Note that this tab is only accessible by the users who have been given administrative rights. Here, you can filter and view documents according to status, group, file name, recipient email, and document date. Let's first filter as per document status. Click on the drop-down to display the list of options. You can select any option. Here, I've selected the In Progress option. Click on the search button to apply this filter. In the display pane, only those documents are displayed that are currently in the process of being approved or signed by defined authorities. Select the Finish option from the same drop-down and click the search button. Signed, rejected, and deactivated documents are displayed, as the documents with these statuses represent the completion of a process. Next filter that you can use is the Group filter. These groups need to be defined in the User Group Management tab under Websign. Check out our video on groups and how to use it for more details. From the drop-down, select a predefined group and click on Search. Only those documents are displayed that involve the selected group or were sent to the selected group for an approval process. The In No Group option displays only those documents that were not sent or do not belong to any groups in the Websign tab. Then, we have the File Name Search field where you can filter documents according to its name. This field uses Contain operator to enable wider targeted searches. For instance, if you want to filter out invoices from the list of process documents, enter the characters INV in the given field and click on the search button to view documents that contain the characters INV in its name. Similarly, you can perform searches as per your requirement. Recipient email field also corresponds to the search technique used in the file name search field. Enter an email address or the characters of an email address in the given field. Apply this filter to view the documents accordingly. Further, you can filter according to when a document was created. The drop-down contains a list of operators you can choose from. The date section is made available as per the option selected from this drop-down. Select the date and click on Search to apply this filter. You can also perform certain actions on the process documents. There is the refresh button, which updates documents and statuses of the documents in real time. You can open a document to view its contents. These documents also display the signature of an authority if a signing activity or all signing activities have been completed on a document. As an administrator, you can deactivate an ongoing approval process, in which case the document becomes unavailable for any further signing or validation activity. A signed or rejected document cannot be deactivated since all actions pertaining to that document has already been completed. The Send Another Mail option is only active for external recipients, that is, documents that were sent via email for approval or validation. This option is useful in case if a recipient needs to be notified about a document that is pending for their approval. You can also export the list of documents into an Excel file. This Excel file will contain all the information that is available to you on the dashboard. Again, for external recipients, you can choose to view the mail status. In case of errors, this option displays in details the error that occurred while sending an email to the recipient. You can use these filters and actions in conjunction to make monitoring of documents easier and convenient. Let's take an example. Suppose I need a report that consists of only debit notes that are still in approval process and were created on the 16th of February 2021. I will select the in progress option from the status dropdown, enter the characters DN in the file name search field, and select the date from the dropdown. The search results appear with all filters applied. I can now export this data into Excel and then process it for further use. Thank you for watching this video.